Hello, I'm here to show you a 3-bed and 3-bath apartment on Lombard Street between 11 and 12. This is the outside space. There is an easy access to a public transit bus. Actually, bus number 40 passes on this street. The place I'm about to show you is this one. It's 1130 Lombard Street. It has a parking, 2-car parking, but if you have a smaller car, you could fit in 3. As you could see, we park a truck and a small SUV here, and the place has a beautiful balcony and a 3 full baths and 3 bedrooms. This is what the outside looks like. Let's get in and see what the inside looks like. You have a nice storm door for security, and the first place I would like to show you is the first floor. And this, you have here downstairs a finished basement with full baths, and it's a nice living space to have. And here on the first floor, as you walk up to the first floor, you have this beautiful hardwood floor, high ceiling, beautiful and modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Everything you see here is new. It's a beautiful space. Nice upload floor. That's recessed. You also have a fireplace here. Nice fireplace. So, and over there you have this huge window that brings in a natural light to the apartment, to this house. Actually, this is a space. In the kitchen you have an island, upgraded countertop, gas oven, plenty of storage cabinet. You have a refrigerator. Everything is new. Yeah, this is you also have a dishwasher, deep sink, garbage disposal, built-in microwave, this is the first floor. Going to the second. Here you have your first bedroom. Nice size bedroom. I didn't turn on the light. You could see the place gets a lot of natural light. And if I turn on the lights, this is how the bedroom looks like. It has a beautiful hardwood floor, and you have a door here on my right that takes you to your beautiful balcony. It's big in size. You could set your chairs here and enjoy the breeze of fresh air. Back to the bedroom. In this bedroom, this is the biggest bedroom, and in this bedroom you have 2 nice size closets on the left and right. There are some items, construction items. It will be cleared out once before the tenant moves in. And this is the second closet space. And the machine you see here for your bathroom. Your bathroom on the second floor has a steam. It's a steam bath. So you could just sit here and soak the steam. And it's a steam bath, and also it's a stall shower. You have stall shower if you like to have a steam. You have the steam machine, so you could have steam shower in here. This is your sink. It's a big size bedroom. Bathroom. This is on the second floor. Then going to the third floor, where you have 2 bedrooms and another additional bathroom. Here is the bathroom on the third floor. It's big space. Here you have a laundry machine, and skylight. This is your vanity. Floor has tile wall. It's a beautiful bathroom. Then you have your 2 bedroom on my left, where you have high ceiling. When I say high, it's very high ceiling bedroom with a window on the top. The place has a central heat and air, but also if you need it, you have additional mini split up there. In this bedroom, you have this closet and also next closet here. Let's see it from this angle. Nice closet. This is bedroom with very high ceiling and ceiling fan. The third bedroom is the one is just facing Lombard Street, and as you could see, it has plenty of windows and a lot of natural light here. You have a nice view. I'm looking to the north of the city and to the east, somewhat to the west. And this bedroom also has a nice size closet space with a built-in shelf. Alright, it's big size bedroom. Can easily fit a king size bed here. Alright, now I'm going to show you the last place. So this is a bedroom I showed you earlier with a high ceiling. I just want to show you how big it is. This one I believe is the smallest of all, but it has 2 nice size closets and a high ceiling. So the last space is your finished basement with a full bath, Alright, going down to the basement. On my right, you have this beautiful finished space, living space, with a nice window for a natural light. They are so cute light fixtures here. And just as you come down and step on your left hand side, you have this nice small bathroom. It's a tile floor, it's your toilet. You have shelves and a small vanity, and it's a stall shower here. Okay, this is a living space. Nice size. Here there is a door for a bathroom. Behind this door you have this nice closet space as well. As you could see, the place has plenty of storage space, and this is your closet for your HVAC system and your water boiler, gas water boiler, and you have the HVAC system, and also you have your electric meter in this closet. The door you see here is the door that takes you to the back of the building to remove your trash from the house. You could just take your trash and go outside in the back and put it in a dumpster. The complex has a dumpster, so you could just drop your trash there by going through this small alley. Yeah, you see here. All right, this is what 1130 Lombard Street looks like. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the house. Thank you for watching. Bye.